Hello my lovely fibre friends, how are you all? Well, I want to review this Crochet Society box by Bella Coco Crochet. Towards the end of last year, November, I restarted my crochet journey, and I did a lot of what would you say, a lot of looking at different videos and different yarn groups to join, especially to do with crochet. And I came across a lady called Sarah Jane, who's responsible for Bella Coco, and I watched a lot of videos and whatever, and I thought I'll join the society, which is £19.99, that's pounds, £19.99 a month. So that was in December. So my box came, and I opened it up. I was really looking forward to it arriving, and I must say it is really worth the £20, you could say. I will show you what's in the box, but I just wanted to say that if you are on the fence about joining the society, after just one box, I am so impressed. I mean, the box itself, it's beautiful. It's got you know, the sticker on it, and then when you open the box you've got a nice greeting. Look for the silver lining, which I think we all do, really, don't we, at some point. And don't forget to share your makes with us at hashtag Crochet Society. I don't want to say craft, it's not crochet. And then everything is nicely wrapped in tissue paper. Obviously I've opened it and had a look. Well, who wouldn't, you know? Can you have a box delivered which you know has got crochet goodies and not open it? So I got this lovely stuffing, so that led me to believe, oh, there's a little animal of some sort that I need to a stuffed toy that I need to use that with. But what came that I'm really impressed with, a little crochet diary, my crochet year, and it just goes through. I've not started it yet, but I will be starting writing in it today. Lovely, and it's really nicely bound, and there's enough in there. There's a little graph in there for you, you know, if you want to, but it's just and it's not kind of a diary as such. You can write in it and put the date in, whatever date you write in it. So that's that. And then the yarn, I got 6, I would say they're 50-gram balls of the Bella Coco Confection double knit. It is nice and soft. I must admit I felt softer yarn, but it is still nice and soft, and it's nice cheerful colours, which I think we need because it's winter, isn't it? So I got the lemon drops. I got candy floss. Isn't that a lovely pink? I hate it when it does that. It drives me nuts. And then ice pop. I like that colour. Then I've got sugar mouse. Isn't that a nice colour? Nice blue. And then we've got blueberry. That's a nice colour, isn't it? Nice. So they all complement one another. And then last but not least, we've got elderberry. So let me just see if I can use both hands to show you all 6 yarns. There we go. All 6 yarns. Aren't they gorgeous together? So they're them. I'll just put them behind. Then we got a pin badge. Now look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? a little cloud, fluffy cloud with cheeks and rosy cheeks and a little star, purple star. Now purple's my colour. We've got a beautiful crochet hook, which is a 3.75, which is nice. So we've got a nice crochet hook. What else did we get? We got rainbow stitch marker. And in here there's something else. There's something, oh, and there's the eyes. There's little, you know, the safety eyes for the soft toy. And what else? And I got my card. And then we've got a saying, which has got conversions on the back for UK crochet and the hook conversion. But it's nice because it does the US as well. Now, as you know, I follow the US. That's just me. And then we got a book. Isn't that beautiful? I just want to show you the little fluffy cloud. Let me just show you it. So I'm not showing you the pattern. Isn't that just adorable? So that's what I need my stuffing for. And there's really nice patterns in here. There's a nice cushion cover. Let me just... That's nice, isn't it? So they give you... this is... I've had to read through this, obviously. There's a couple of different cushion covers. There's a welcome from Sarah Jane. And it's a nice little magazine to keep, you know... with telling you about the designers who have designed for this particular box. What else did I get? Oh, I got some stickers. Got 3 lots of stickers. 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3 lots of stickers, which is nice. And then just contact information on how to join the Crochet Society, which is a UK-based company, which is nice. So yeah, so I'm well impressed with what I paid for. I mean, because crochet hooks aren't cheap. Yarn isn't cheap these days, is it? Unless you go to different places. So yeah, so on the overall, I'm really, really impressed with what I got for my money. I mean, a book like that alone, you can pay £6–7, depending on where you shop, and it is a good quality as well. And I like this too. You know, it keeps it so even if you know, by the end of the year, I'm hoping this will be fun. So I've finished my first project for 2021. It's not 2001 at all, Linda. Don't be silly. So yeah, so yeah, if you're on the fence, I would definitely give it a go. I am well impressed. And the way it's presented and the little box it comes in, I'm going to keep it in the box for the time being because I think I've got enough projects to be working on at the moment. So yeah, so that's my review of Bella Coco, the Craft Society, Crochet. Oh, Linda, I've not got my teeth in properly yet. So I'm well impressed with the Crochet Society by Bella Coco box and my subscription. So yes, also another thing that I wanted to have a talk about is this year, I mean, we're on what, the 3rd, and I've watched a lot of videos this year, and everybody wants to gain more subscribers. Now, I've been videoing a long time, and all I will say is you've got to give to receive. If you're prepared to put the time in and do your videos and want them out there, then you've got to be prepared to subscribe to other crocheters and watch their videos, leave a comment, even if it's a little comment. I try and do that nearly every day, really, and you learn as you go along, but you have to give in order to receive. Some people might find that really off-putting, but at the end of the day, you know, I will only say how I see it, and I've been videoing a long time. And if you're prepared to leave a comment, a thumbs up, even if it's just hello. I don't have a lot of people commenting on mine, but I have got the subscribers, and I worked really, really hard, especially when YouTube changed the goalposts, which was it last year or the year before, when you had to have over 1,000 subscribers before you got any monetary get, you know, before you started monetizing your videos. So, you know, you could create your playlists and have them playing in the background while you're crocheting. I mean, I sit here crocheting, and I watch videos, and if something interests me, I'll leave a comment or a thumbs up. I always leave, if I don't comment, I always leave a thumbs up to let YouTube know that people are actually watching my videos. So when I ask at the end of videos, you know, or, you know, leave a thumbs up, like, share with your friends, and if you leave a comment, that's brilliant. You know, I really do enjoy reading your comments, but sometimes we haven't got the time to always comment. I mean, if I commented on every video I watch, I'd be here till midnight. So yeah, so that is my advice to you, is if you know, yeah, I mean, I would like to get to 3,000 at the end of this year. If I get to 3,000 at the end of this year, brilliant. If I don't, it's not the end of the world. I've still got you, my lovely subscribers, who've been following me for quite a while, and I can't thank you enough for that. I don't get paid every week or every month, not by a long shot. I mean, I think I've had about two payments from YouTube. So I you know, kind of this, and I'm not doing it for the money. I'm not. For me, I will stop videoing when I don't enjoy it, and I really enjoy the interaction and the crochet community, which I've only recently joined. I am so amazed by how loving and caring and friendly you all are. You just brighten my day every day with the little comments you leave, and you know, that for me is everything. I'm not bothered about the money. Yeah, the money's nice, don't get me wrong, it'll go back onto Yarn if I get another check this year from YouTube. Who knows what's going to happen, but that's what it's about for me. It's about my interaction with you, and you leaving comments and giving me ideas on future videos, which is brilliant, because sometimes I just think, oh my lord, I've got 1, 2, 3, I've got 3 videos to do before the end of this month. What am I going to do? And then one of you lovely subscribers will think, oh well, you know, have you, you know, would you do a video about this? And you know, if it's within my capability, then yes, I will do it. You know, kind of. And I know there's a lot of videos out there for left-handers, but I'm going to do my own because I am left-handed. It's nice to see like Krista does a left-handed tutorial. Sarah Jane from Bella Coco does them. There are loads of you out there as well who do, but you switch. You know, you flip your video, which is all well and good, because I don't expect people to be ambidextrous. So so yeah, so you know, kind of, if people like my left-handed videos, all well and good. If they don't, they don't. You know, it's, we all have different likes and things we don't like. So on that rather note, I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. I just cannot express how much it means to me. You make my heart happy, and when you leave your little comments and your little thumbs up, that is amazing for me. It really is, because I'm sat here in my crochet nook. Obviously with lockdown I don't see many people. The only people I see when I go shopping, you know, other customers, and I've become very friendly with my supermarket staff. The supermarkets I go to become, because they know me, because I'm so early. I go in shopping early in the morning. I go as soon as they're open and get out, so I'm not interacting with loads and loads of people, because I've got my dad to think about. So yeah, so in a way you come into my home and you make my heart happy. So thank you all so much, and take care everybody. Please stay safe, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye bye for now.